You can swap one or add a new one at random.
I don't have any care for any of them, so I don't care for her anyway.
Oh, effort.
Yes, it is. I love it so much. I also have.
If I could, I'd just be like, not Spice and Wolf. She did good. Marin does well.
Can you grab one, or you can switch one around?
Hey, Nami's S tier right now.
I feel like she's down bad for him.
Asuna?
Yeah, she's down bad for him. Wait, is it in the general, like...
Where you rank?
It's where you feel she deserves.
Oh my god, Ryoko. Okay.
He's like... She's always for him.
I feel bad because if I had noticed her, I would have put her in S tier. She deserves it for bullshit in all those movies.
Thank you. And switch one around, or you can add a new one.
I don't know if Faye Valentine actually does belong in S.
You can switch her.
Can I swap too?
Well, you can switch her with someone else.
Oh. Yeah, I'll switch her with Ren.
Hey. Our first defect of the day, and it was the board. Yep. Don't worry, I'll take care of that. Thank you.
Likewise.
Would you like to add one or swap one?
I'm gonna swap.
I'll just have to hold it for now.
Have you guys been hydrating?
F tier.
Two big packs.
You want to swap it?
Does it matter where I put Nami?
You can move her into a free spot. Thank you.
What's that?
Waifu tier list. You can swap one, or you can add a new one at random.
At random, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We are gonna swap Asuna with Hugo. You.
Thank you.
No problem.
I forgot we left the super glue back in the hotel room, so we're gonna call intermission for now, okay?
Head back up that way?
Yeah, because I need to get the super glue.
I love your shine.
Would you like to rank one?
Yes.
You can swap one or add a new one at random. There we go. You can swap it.
Awesome. Child.
Thank you.
Would you like to? You can add a new one.
Wait, no, there's not one.
Random. You can't see it.
I can't see it. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, Muscle Mommy.
Yes.
You can move one down if you want.
Yeah.
There we go. Thank you. Oh, would you like to play?
I saw Robin.
You can swap one or add a new one.
Asuna shouldn't be number one.
Let me move over here so we're not in the way.
No one stands in this. You deserve that.
Yeah. Thank you. Would you like to play?
Yes.
Okay.
I knew it. Sorry. The Velcro popped up. I'll take care of it, but show me where you want him.
S tier.
Switch with Asuna. Right, thank you. Don't you just love when this happens? Good thing I brought the super glue. Okay, let's go find somewhere. You can swap her if you want. Right now, Robin's right here. I'm just waiting for the glue to dry because the Velcro popped off. Yeah, you could swap them. Nagatoro to F. Yeah.
At the very least.
Okay, who are you swapping?
There's no chance she's not a man.
Ryoko. Thank you. We're only allowing people to do one. I'm sorry.
She definitely needs to be hired. She definitely needs to be hired. What the fuck?
I know, it's so hard.
It's like a guy did that to despite friends.
Yeah. It was so funny. Someone came, a guy put her at S tier, and then his friend moved her to F, just to be mean to him.
I agree with this 100%. That's weird. That is weird shit. Like I said, people either like her or
Going to stuff.
there is
you
no
go.
in between.
Yep.
She's underage, bro.
Yeah.
There's no way she's not F tier.
Nagatoro. Oh. Thank you. All right, let's see how long this holds out. You can swap one or add a new one. Oh, did we leave the bag? Oh, you have it here. There you go. Okay. We do have a couple more. Oh, you have to add it at random.
Random?
Mm-hmm. You got Yoichi.
You got a Ouija?
Mm-hmm.
Replace Sailor Moon.
Where are you putting her? Oh, only one. You gotta put her in a blank area. There we go. Thank you. Would you like to play?
Yes.
You want to swap one or do you want to add one?
Let me see first. I wanna swap.
All right. Swap. Got it. Yeah. Oh, only one. Oh, you? Okay. You didn't want to write F. Gotcha. Thank you. Would you like to play?
Yeah, sure.
Try not to be in anyone's way. You can swap one or you can add a new one.
Let's add a new one.
All right. It's random. Power.
Yeah, there's only open spots on the mod.
You can swap them.
Shit, okay, yeah.
Asuna. There you go. Okay, thank you. Woo. We almost got all of the girls up. Whew. Would you like to play? You can swap a waifu or add a new one. Right. There you go. And then replace rim. There you go. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, hon, come back.
I want to play.
Come back.
Okay.
Okay, swapping. Yeah. Swapping or adding?
Swapping or adding?
Mm-hmm.
Why is this so cool?
We got a lot of blank spots in the bottom. Makima to F. Thank you. Okay, you can swap one or add a new one at random.
Swap one. S.
Okay.
What are you doing now, sweetheart?
And swap them for whatever one.
One down.
Uh-huh.
Do you want, High school DSD.
Yeah.
Yep.
Bro, what the fuck? Out of Sprite. Let's see what we got here.
Okay.
Yeah,
Has to be random.
Oh, it's pick at random?
Yep.
Yeah, look.
We got Nezuko.
Mexico. I really don't even watch the show.
Come on, man.
I don't even watch the show. So, I mean,
Yeah, see,
she's underage,
yeah.
but she does do some shit in anime. So she goes deep tier.
D tier. All right.
You know what?
Would you like to play?
You know what's up, man?
Okay, you can swap one or you can add one.
Okay, grab one. I put her in D tier.
He was ahead of you. You can go after him, okay? All right. Swap one or add one?
Yeah, but I put her in D tier because
Yeah.
I don't watch the show. All I know is that she does good. And she's underage.
Or you can add. Okay.
For that reason, I didn't put her
Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Would you like to swap or add a new one?
All right. Swap or what?
Add a new one.
Add a new one.
We have a couple more left. It's random. You can't look at her.
I can't look at it.
Right. It's random. We got Albedo.
I don't even know who this is, but she is cute, and it looks like she's from one of those lewd animes. Is she?
She's a succubus.
Okay, so she's definitely lewd. We'll put her in. I just put her anywhere.
You can swap.
Okay. All right. Well, I don't know who this is. Huh? Oh, she up there. So I figured I'd put her. I don't know who this is, so let's take her down.
Right.
Put her here.
Okay, and then she has to go into one of the free areas.
All right. All right. There we go.
Thank you.
There we go.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Woo! Thank you. Oh, would you like to play? You can swap one, or we have 4 more to add at random. Oh, here we go. Ooh, nice. Thank you.
Thank you. Were you the Espeon earlier?
Yeah,
Okay.
Vaporeon.
Vaporeon, my bad. Espeon's purple, duh. You look great.
Thank you.
I did my swap.
Or we still have 4 more to add.
Let's see, my man. Yeah, I'll pull that.
You may?
Let's put the children towards the bottom.
All right. Just swap one or add one? Random. So just, yep. We have Bulma.
Oh, that's good, yeah.
Dragon Ball Z.
She's like canonically a good one. Yeah. Very good.
Okay, thank you. Would you like to play?
Yes, I would love to.
Okay, you can swap a waifu or pick a new one at random.
What we got? Okay.
Like swap the ranking?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna pick a new one.
I got
All right.
one too. All right.
Okay, it's at random. You get the bag open.
My hand is very cold.
Yoko litter anywhere in here?
I don't think so.
Now, when I draw one, do I have to put it on one of these 3 spots?
No, you can swap it. We got Rebecca.
Oh, I picked her. Here, you pick it up. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, so she's going.
Megamine.
Nice. Okay.
She is my waifu.
Plus.
I'm gonna start beef with the next.
And then she has to go to the bottom. The
Oh,
free.
she's go to the bottom?
Yep.
I can't swap somebody else?
Nope.
Oh.
Only the free spots.
Alright, I'll take that.
So whoever you switch has to go to F.
Understand. I don't know who this is.
No, Reese. No, you heard. You heard.
No, fuck you, babe. That was
Reese is top tier. No.
Megamine is best girl.
Woo!
I have her dunk.
Thank you. Would you guys like to play? We have only one left. One left. It's the last girl. Or is it Scarlet?
Oh man, take that Megan.
You want a divorce? It is in fact one.
Take my off the top. Straight from the
Bulma.
Against Urza.
And she goes to F tier. Ooh. Now all we have left are swappies. Would you like to swap?
I'm new to this community. I don't recognize many on there.
Alright, thank you.
Hold this. Hold this.
Oh, you're going for it?
I'm not gonna do that one.
You're going for it? Oh.
Someone's gonna get mad. I don't know who. I just grabbed two random. I don't know.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Jolene and Freeran. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So the board's full. Now we can only walk around and see if anyone wants to swap. Would you like to swap a waifu? Megumin? And not pass that. All right, thank you. You're good? All right.
I'll wait around.
Excuse me.
I'll wait.
All right. Board is full. Hey, would you like to swap a waifu?
Oh, no. No, who did that? Who did that? Who the hell do that?
You can swap her.
Yeah. Because to me, she's number. But that put on an F. Because she is so hard since she's a bad.
Would you like to swap?
Yes, I want to swap. Hinata should be in the A. Ooh, who should I take out though?
Yes, that's the hard part.
I'm gonna switch her. Hinata's A.
Thank you.
No problem. I put Hinata in the A.
Would you like to swap one?
I think solid.
Think solid?
Isn't it Puma?
Yep.
That's why we're doing this all we have. Out of here.
You want to switch? Yeah.
This is so fun. This is such a good idea.
Thank you.
Now I gotta really lock in for this. Hold on. Damn, back it up. Right there. At the bottom of that tier. Honestly, this chick has to be there.
If you want to swap that one, that's your swap.
Yeah, but there's still F.
I got a better opinion.
What? Oh!
You're insane!
Maybe. Poor Robin. And then.
My boy. My boy! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
There we go.
Smart.
Hold on.
Sure.
What did he switch? What did he switch?
I swapped.
Austin is at the bottom.
Him. It was him. It was him. It was this guy. It was him.
This deserves to be on top.
Would you like to swap?
I already see somebody I want to swap.
All right.
No, let's stay serious. Jill Valentine need to switch for Bowman. I'm sorry.
Hey, no way.
No, Bowman's a basic. Bowman's a basic. Bowman's a basic. She should switch.
Oh, go ahead. You got to switch. You only got one switch, though.
Yep.
Yeah, I switched.
Hey, thank you. Only one.
What's your
You switched. You put her on S3. OT, she's
Yeah.
plus 20. You put Miss Surrey here.
I put Michelle.
She moved again.
See where she belongs.
Who is this one from? Where is she from?
Tenchi Muyu.
Oh, okay.
Would you like to swap a waifu? I'll take the sign.
Oh, yeah.
Try not to be too much in the way. You get one swap. Decisions. I love your sweater, by the way.
Okay, I truly believe Rebecca deserves to be an S tier.
All right. But who are you switching her for?
Okay. Why does it feel gonna hurt me? Hold on. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, this is gonna suck. Hold on. This is hard. This is real hard.
Yeah. Thank you. Here we go.
So, I don't know anything, but what I do know, is there a single character you actually know? You think so?
It's all
Power with Robin. Hey.
You know what?
Thank you very much.
Hey, can I take a picture of that?
Sure. Oh, sorry.
That's stuff. How are you?
I'm good. Would you like to switch one?
Let's up the F tiers. Or somewhere down there. Wow, she got F tiers?
Yep.
My girl Bulma, she's way too low. Just like swap? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to find someone else to put her in that place.
I don't really know her, so it's bad. Cool.
There we go. Thank you.
Good night.
You too.
See all of a sudden, because everyone just got out.
Would you like to swap one?
S tier looks pretty good, but swap.
Albedo and Power. I had to fix that. I see what happened. The Velcro came off.
Oh yeah, on both of them.
Yeah, I'll get it. Don't worry. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. It happens.
I got this all kinds of fucked up. Yeah, all kinds of fucked up.
Thank you. Yeah. We had a little malfunction that I'm trying to fix. If you want to follow me over here, if you don't mind. That way I can put it down flat and not be in anyone's way. There we go.
First of all, she's a child, so where? Fuck no. Right there. So I can move one?
Yes.
Just only one?
Yes.
I'm gonna swap these.
All right.
What?
There we go. All right. Albedo was put here, and you're right there. Hard decision, huh?
You said only one though, right?
Yes, only one can be swapped. And it has to go in the exact same place you swapped. Oh, elevator. Sorry.
It's trying to feel like somebody to move, but she's definitely somewhere in the bees.
But who are you going to swap? Just so you know, Power's right here. And we're just waiting for the glue to dry. Mega mean. Right. Albedo. 4. Marin. All right. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the rest of the con.
If it's not, it's like I'll bet
Right. We should really be linking our YouTube channel with this, I swear. We should really be mentioning our YouTube channel with this.
Maybe next time we do a monster, maybe we'll have a bunch more.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Promote our YouTube channel with it. Okay. Would you like to swap one?
Let's go.
Pretty good. You can swap one. We already have all the waifus on board. You can swap her.
Let's see what
Yeah. But not
Yes. S tier is best, F is trash.
kind of agree.
Here we go. Albedo, swap with Power. That one I just fixed. Darting.
Someone, they gotta have hygiene.
Yeah. Sorry, I just fixed that.
Oh,
The glue is still wet.
Oh, that's what it was. My bad.
Yeah, I'm sorry. And now Power, what's the lose that? Yeah.
Should we swap that one for that
Her? Albedo? Okay, and then she goes here then.
This one's an A. This one's an A? Sorry,
I can only do one. Yeah. Anyone else with waifu tier list? You can swap one.
Ram is my other cosplay, and she's best girl, and Rebecca is my. Wait, is it here?
Yeah.
Rebecca is the underling in my show. So, worry about it now.
Thank you. Right. Ooh. Well, cubby hole. So, this is our waifu tier list at Ecchi Dallas. This is pretty much what we got. The board keeps messing up, so we might end it here. We might have a couple more swaps, depending as we head off. But thank you. Oh, you want to swap? Last minute swap.
Whoa. Wow, what's your other down there? How many can I swap?
Anyone? Hey. Switcher? Yes. All right, thank you.
She belongs.
Would you like to swap a waifu?
You gotta move Comey. You gotta move Comey. What we got? You gotta move Comey up. You gotta move. Yo, where's
Okay. All right. Would you like to swap?
Dude, why is Sonata down here, bro? Swap.
Who the fuck?
Swapper?
That's not gonna be fun.
That's how they belong to the A class. So Rebecca's top tier, and she's bad too.
It's so hard.
I'm gonna do my Hinata right here. I won't put her down here. That's
the only place she can go. I'm sorry. Damn. Yep. Would you like to swap?
Let me take a look at the list real quick. Okay, most of us are using
Power. And Mikasa. All right, thank you. Okay, this is now our final. Unless, again, if we run into any more people who want to play. But this will be your final for the waifu tier list. Would you like to swap? Yep. Who do you think deserves to be at the top tier?
Only swap one?
Yep. Tora? And they have to go in that exact same spot. Say. Thank you.
What's changed?
This is.
Okay, Hinata's still A, so that's good.
Sorry.
Who's that cat girl?
They knocked the baby go down in the lobby.
No, I know who that is. Who's this? Is that a cat?
She's a wolf. She's from an anime that's fairly new.
Why is Yonichi B tier?
Yeah, she used to be here.
Yeah, she does.
It got swapped around.
I love how Sailor Moon is still mid.
Yeah, you can swap one. You get one. Let's try to get out of everyone's way.
This is gonna be an easy one.
All right. Luigi or Hime.
Who is this from?
The Bleach.
No, I know. She's from Bleach. Who is she from?
She's from Bleach too.
Oh, she's from Bleach?
Yeah,
My
or
bad.
Hime.
Okay. I didn't watch much Bleach.
Right.
Okay, and Marin is up there.
Yep, you can only do one. You can only do one.
Switch it back and then.
Nope, there's your only one. He already did.
Did you do it?
Do what?
Wait,
Waifu tier list.
you can only move one.
You can swap one.
You can
A
swap
lot
them
of
anywhere.
interesting things
Yeah,
on
swap
this
them
list, I'll
anywhere,
tell you
but
that
you can
much.
only choose one. Once you place it
That's
down,
what I
you
think
can
it is.
choose
That
it.
deserves to be that low.
Asuna.
Asuna? No, just because I hate SIL.
So, that's fair. I'll take it. I do too.
So I have to swap one with the other.
Yes.
Okay.
They go in the exact same spots.
That guy. I stand
Wait, that's that low? No.
There we go.
Absolutely not.
Misaka is mid.
No. There's nothing wrong with her. It's just too much.
Not even
Too much.
She's Freeman. I can't believe she went down to D. She was just up there. I'm not touching it. I'm not moving on this.
Yeah.
Where is she from?
Yurase Yatsuri.
Oh, is that an old anime?
Yeah.
Oh,
It recently got a reboot. It's romantic comedy.
Okay, I'll check it out. Robert, your Bulma went down to
Yeah,
see.
it should still be up in S tier, but hey. I hate to say it.
Wait, so that one comes?
It's a fairly new anime. I can't remember what it's called. Something leveling up 2, level 2. She's like the newest, hottest waifu of the year.
Yeah, she has a lot more to
And Rebecca.
Okay, I agree.
All right. Thank you. So this will probably be the definitive Ecchi Expo tier list. Thank you again for tuning in. Bye.